Hi everybody. I'm going to do a mallet smash on this little 5x7 canvas. Michael's had their canvases 70% off, so I went and bought some today. And I'm hoping that this is the painting that breaks my artist block that I've had now for a few days. I have done quite a few paintings / videos and hated them all and deleted them. So I don't know. The one I did earlier today was very long. It was almost an hour, and towards the end I realized I hadn't eaten. I was starting to get, that shaky hunger stuff. And so I basically, it had been going on that long and I still didn't really have anything I loved, so I kind of said screw it and went upstairs and shoved my face with as much food as I could find in my kitchen. Because I hate when I get that shaky, and you definitely can't work at that point anymore. So, and all of those bad ones were all on I was painting over a painting I didn't like on a cradled wood panel. So, I've had cursed canvases before, so maybe that's my cursed panel. So I'm not going to paint on it for a while. It's, I'm going to sit and time out in the angry chair. And I'll revisit it at another date when it has decided to be more cooperative. And yes, I do realize that my paintings are not living, breathing beings, but they are still my babies. So therefore, they can get in trouble and they can get grounded. But unlike my babies, I do smash these with mallets. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I don't smash real people with mallets. But my big commission, the red, black, and silver one was white. I only filmed the 3 that I did a ribbon. But I also did 2 large, I believe 15 by 30s. And she just got them hung up. They had done this whole media room, black walls, black furniture, way, way, way cool. And she just sent me pictures of them. And oh my gosh, I love seeing them in their new home. They are amazing. So you can check out my Facebook page and Osborne Art to see them for yourselves. So this is Grumbacher plus iridescent medium, Grumbacher process yellow plus iridescent medium. I'm just going to do a single smash. This is Grumbacher vermilion. And I bought a bunch of little 4x4 canvases because I think I may do a little series of mini paintings. This is Liquitex Basic Alizarin. And yes, I am tackling a small piece right now since my spirit has just been crushed by the cursed canvas. I'm going to start small. And once again, I think I've caught up to almost all of the questions that people have commented to me. I've been trying to catch up on those. Like the urgent questions I try and answer first, urgent paint emergency questions. But I am getting there. The art show kind of held me up for a little while. All right. I need to fix my mallet. My husband actually used it to do mallety things. The tire wouldn't come off my car, and I needed it, the flat tire wouldn't. So I don't know what to use this for, but now it's all falling apart. Beautiful colors. Definitely too much paint. So I'm going to kind of do a mallet smash and tilt where you can see this part got kind of muddled. So I'm going to try and tilt that part off. I'm probably going too fast, tilting too fast. Because you can see I'm going side to side to try and keep the rest fairly centered. And you can see the long cells that I'm getting. Like here, these long drawn out cells. And for some of you that are new to this, you may be thinking, oh my God, this painting goes by so fast. But there are lots of hours that go into the mixing of the paints, drying this, varnishing it, or resining it. So although the actual painting may not take hours, the prep and the post prep does. So I just wanted to get that out there. Oh my, I love these colors. This is way cool. Hopefully my curse is gone. My curse can be broke by a quick, 8-minute video. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I love this. Kind of wish there were more drips down that side, but I am not about to tilt it that way again because it would squish everything, and that's the last thing I want to do because that for a fact will screw up this painting. So I want to hold it this way again. So I'd like to get it out a little bit more this way. I don't know if I can while maintaining the look. Because you can see it's... So in which case, maybe I will tilt it more down to this corner. Just so, because composition. Since it is more on this side, I feel it should maybe all be more towards that side. So maybe some of it will come off the edge again. Yeah, I was wrong in saying that that would ruin it. Certainly doesn't want to easily come off though. I want this dark part. Let's help it. Wow, I just really love these colors. All right, and now I do have more of the drip off on the edge. Let's try and take a fairly clean finger to touch up these edges. I love this. I love it. Let the curse be broken. Yay, and not too many little cells came up. Woohoo! I'm cured. I love it. I'm going to turn it to show you how I like it. Well, I like it that way. Yeah, I like it that way. I'm going to move ya. Look how cute! Love it! Very cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.